If you have income from either a self-occupied house or if you have rented earnings, here is how to save taxes on it. Firstly, log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN card and enter your details. After that, navigate to the Income Sources section. Scroll down and click on Rental Income or House Property. Now, the next step is to add details about your house, which can be divided into two categories: self-occupied and rented property. Self-occupied means any property which has not been rented and is owned by you. Now, to add details about the self-occupied, simply click on the Add Entry to fill all the relevant details like the interest paid, your address, and co-owner details if any. Now, fill in all the details as shown under the house address. You also have an option to add co-owners if any. You simply have to select the Yes toggle button and enter the details of other co-owners like their name, PAN, and percentage share. In ClearTax, there is already an inbuilt intelligence where we assist users with maximum tax deductions. For example, for a self-occupied house property with a construction start year of 2018 and the construction completion year of 2022, you can claim 20% of total interest paid for the period from 2018 to 2022, which is around 5 years, in the current assessment year. Now, similarly, for a rented house, you can fill in the details about your rented house if you have one, like interest paid, your address, tenant details, and co-owners if any. Now, you're also required to fill in all the details as shown under the house address. You also get an option to add co-owners if any. You can also select the Yes toggle option and enter details of co-owners like their name, PAN, and percentage share. However, the users need to ensure that the total share must be around 100%. You also need to add the tenant details. You also need to add the tenant details where you have to enter details like the name of the tenant, PAN, and Aadhaar. You will also get the option to add multiple tenants as well. Now, you need to enter the total rental income received during the last financial year in the total annual rent received section. In the ClearTax, there is already an inbuilt intelligence where we assist users with maximum tax deductions. For example, for a rental property, if the total annual rent received is Rs 2 lakh as per the section 24A, ClearTax will automatically calculate 30% of this income, that is Rs 60,000, and will consider the same for the purpose of tax deductions. After completing this whole process, simply click on Continue and proceed with your e-filing your income tax returns. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. That's how easy it is to file your taxes if you have income from a single or multiple house properties. Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now, and in case of any inquiries, write to our support email at support@cleartax.in. Thank you.